Hi, I'm Adrienne Loukopoulos, an occupational therapist at Freedom Physical Therapy. Today we're going to go through a couple of stretches to warm up before your holiday baking. So the first one we're going to do is we're going to stretch out our upper chest. So you're going to just tilt your head to the side, hold, make sure you're not shorting your shoulder up, and the other side. If you need more of a stretch, you can do a gentle pull on your head. Good. Then we're going to go to our forearms. You're going to stretch your hand down. You should feel pulling along here and then back. You can also do this in a prayer. Good. And we're just going to kind of roll our wrists out. Good. And we're going to work on our fingers nice and wide. Bring them down into a good hook fist to stretch out all those really tiny muscles in your hands. Good. And then the last one we're going to do is we're just going to do a gentle stretch of your thumb, pulling and making them nice and wide. Good. Now you're ready for holiday baking.